that question. Also, yesterday I just forgot to mention this at the end, right? So I really wanted to discuss this. That is the Kabir's poem uh, has a is comparatively, it has a relation to the poem of uh, is actually comparatively, it has relation to the poems of uh, Wordsworth, because what does Wordsworth say? Let me consider one. So the Wordsworth, he in various poems, especially in Tintin Abbey, which is in your textbook, the portion of Tintin Abbey is in your textbook. Also, other than the Tintin Abbey, Ode to a Grecian Urn, very beautiful poem it is. Ode to a Grecian Urn is a beautiful poem. So there he speaks, beauty is the truth and truth the beauty. And that's a very, very important statement. Beauty is the truth and the truth beauty. So the same way, in Tintern Abbey, he stands in front of Abai, a kind of a waterfall, right? So he stands in front of Abai and he sees there, and the beauty of the Abai remind him that of the beauty of the Abai reminds him of the Lord, his Lord, Wordsworth Lord, and that is what we see. And he feels that the motion of the waterfall, the Abai itself is, it itself has a spirit, and that spirit is the Holy Spirit. So again, that is, to put it in a simple manner, uh, that the beauty itself is God. The idea is, the God existing beauty that reminds of the beauty can be found in Wordsworth, right? And the same thing can be seen in Kabir as well. Of course, Kabir had written long before the Wordsworth, right? So, but the idea is that, we see that similarity in both of them. We see that similarity both in Wordsworth and Kabir, right? And it is a very important thing to notice, because of course, for as an enjoyment, it is of course contributing, right? So to enjoy this poem better, if you know Wordsworth, it is very helpful. Also for the examination, if you quote Wordsworth whenever you are talking about Kabir, of course substantiating it, of course, giving the explanation that, even the Wordsworth had a similar idea, that, in by looking at the Tinter Nabai, that reminds him of the Holy Spirit, that reminds him of his Lord, right? So that is, that is very much similar to that of Kabir. So if you write this explanation, of course, the quality of your answers or the essays for assignment would be very valuable. Okay, so this is about Kabir, as well as, the other poems of Bhakti tradition. So